Ever drop your phone and wonder why it always lands screen down? It's like the universe has a personal vendetta against your screen protector. But believe it or not, there's a whole world of physics behind that moment of panic. When your phone slips from your hand, it doesn't just fall, it spins, tumbles, and twists through the air, all thanks to the laws of motion and gravity. The way the weight is distributed in your phone, combined with the height and angle of the drop, makes it more likely to flip over and land screen first. It's not just bad luck, it's science in action, and it's happening every time you fumble your device. And if you think that's wild, just wait. Physics has more twists and turns than a Brooklyn pretzel. Every day, the universe is serving up mind-bending phenomena that seem impossible, until you dig into the science behind them. From the way light bends around corners to the strange behavior of particles you can't even see, physics is full of surprises that challenge what we think we know. Alright, let's talk about things in physics that should not make sense, but somehow they do. These are the kinds of ideas that make even the smartest scientists scratch their heads and wonder if the universe is playing a prank on us. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive in. First up, Schrödinger's cat. This isn't just a quirky story about a cat in a box, it's a thought experiment that gets to the heart of quantum mechanics, the branch of physics that deals with the tiniest building blocks of reality. Imagine a cat in a box. Don't worry, it's just a thought experiment. And until you peek inside, that cat's both alive and dead at the same time. Sounds impossible, right? But in the quantum world, particles can exist in multiple states at once, a phenomenon called superposition. The cat is a stand-in for these particles, showing us just how strange things can get when you zoom in far enough. This isn't just a weird story, it's a real scientific puzzle. Until you open the box and check, the cat's fate is literally undecided. It's only when you observe it that reality chooses an outcome. This idea has baffled scientists for decades and sparked endless debates about what's really going on at the smallest scales of the universe. Yeah, in quantum land, particles can be in two states at once. It's like flipping a coin and having it land on both heads and tails, until you look. Quantum computers are being built right now to harness this weirdness, using qubits that can be both 0 and 1 at the same time. It's a whole new way of thinking about information and reality itself. Makes my brain hurt just thinking about it. Quantum physics is like a puzzle where the pieces keep changing shape. It's no wonder even experts get headaches trying to wrap their minds around it. But that's what makes it so fascinating. There's always more to discover, and every answer leads to new questions. Next, time dilation. This one sounds like pure science fiction, but it's a real effect predicted by Einstein's theory of relativity. Go fast enough, like near the speed of light, and time actually slows down for you. Imagine hopping on a train that's moving so quickly, the seconds tick by slower for you than for everyone else standing still. It's not just a theory. Astronauts on the International Space Station actually age a tiny bit slower than people on Earth, thanks to their high speeds and the effects of gravity. This means that if you could travel close to the speed of light and then return home, you'd find that more time has passed for everyone else than for you. It's called the twin paradox. One twin stays on Earth, the other zooms off in a spaceship. And when they reunite, the spacefaring twin is younger. Time travel, in a way, is already built into the fabric of the universe. So, if you take the subway at light speed, you could come back younger than your friends. Of course, the subway isn't quite that fast unless you count how quickly your patience disappears during rush hour. But the idea is real. Speed changes time, and the faster you go, the weirder things get. Not that the MTA's ever that quick. If only our daily commutes could bend the laws of physics, we'd all be time travelers by now. But hey, at least you have a fun fact to share next time your train is late. And here's a classic, the double-slit experiment. This one is a favorite among physicists because it shows just how mysterious the universe can be. It's a simple setup. Shine a beam of particles, like electrons, at a barrier with two slits, and see what happens on the other side. Shoot tiny particles, like electrons, through two slits and they act like waves, not little marbles. Instead of making two neat piles, they create an interference pattern, like ripples in a pond. It's as if each particle goes through both slits at once, interfering with itself. But when you try to watch which slit it goes through, the pattern disappears, and the particles act like, well, particles again. This experiment has puzzled scientists for over a century. It suggests that reality itself changes depending on whether we're looking or not. Are particles making decisions? Is the universe keeping secrets from us? The double-slit experiment is a window into the strangeness at the heart of physics. It's like they can't make up their minds. One moment they're waves, the next they're particles. It's as if the universe itself is indecisive, refusing to be pinned down by our expectations. Are you a wave? Are you a particle? Pick a side. But in the quantum world, things don't have to choose. They can be both, or neither, or something else entirely. It's a reminder that the universe is far stranger than our everyday experience suggests. Physics isn't just about equations. It's a wild ride where what you think you know gets flipped upside down. Every discovery opens up new mysteries, and the more we learn, the more we realize how much we don't know. It's a journey full of surprises, twists, and turns, just like the wildest roller coaster you've ever ridden. The next time you find yourself baffled by the universe, remember, confusion is part of the adventure. The weirdness of physics isn't a bug, it's a feature. It's what makes exploring the universe so exciting. So next time the universe makes you scratch your head, just remember, in physics, weird is the new normal. Embrace the confusion, ask questions, and keep exploring, because the strangest ideas often lead to the biggest breakthroughs.